This is how to disassemble an Airsoft G36. So first, you pop out the handguard pin. Let's throw that away. And second, you pop out the magwell pin and do the same. Your stock has the holes in it because that's where the pins go. You take out your handguard and put that aside. Take out your magwell, put that aside. Now you disconnect your battery, however you normally do it, and you will disconnect this plug from your fuse assembly if you still have that. So you get your plug out here. Next, you put the gun back down and fold the stock. The back of the gun is a screw right here. Mine's been modified, so yours requires an Allen key. So you'll just unscrew that. Put your screw aside. Now you can hold your stock, tilt the gun like this. Now you'll push the hopup forward so it's out of the way of the air nozzle and the top screw of the gearbox. Push it forward, there's a spring, we'll go against that, and the gearbox pivots out. Put that aside. Now finally, to get the hopup out, fold the stock, push the hopup in and turn it 90 degrees. It slides out of the rear of the gun. And that is how you disassemble an Airsoft G36. Reassembly is much the same. Up, in, pivot, fold the stock, lower receiver, back in first, push in the hopup, lower the gearbox, release the hopup. Reseat your wires, magwell, and handguard. After this you'll pop in the pins, but I can say you know how to do that, so that's all. Oh, one last note. Don't forget to put the screw in the back of the gun that you put aside earlier. That's all. Barring your handguard flying off.